How to install the peel and stick membrane on the QuietWarmth Radiant Heat film for tile. This small video is to show how to stick the peel and stick membrane to the subfloor, assuming all previous steps to prepare the mat have been followed. There's a link in the description for another video to help you seal and prepare the mat for this part of the installation. The subfloor must be clean and dry. It's important to have all the dust and debris cleaned off the subfloor before adhering the QuietWarmth tile mat. So dry fit the mats before adhering them to ensure they will fit to a planning diagram that you would have planned out way before this step. This will ensure lead wires will run correctly to the junction box. Once the mats are in proper position, roll the end with the connections back far enough to peel back approximately 12 inches of the release paper to expose a portion of the adhesive surface. Press this exposed section of the mat onto the surface and then roll the other end back to the point where the release paper was removed. Begin pulling the release liner off and hand smooth the mat into position as it unrolls to achieve a positive bond while avoiding trapping air bubbles. For adjacent mats, follow the same procedure, starting with alignment of the first mat and butt the next mat up to it. Do not overlap any mats. And once you have the mats onto their permanent place, a licensed electrician can help you make the final power connections. If you like what you saw, give us a like and make sure to subscribe to our page. QuietWarmth.com has a variety of helpful tools and resources to consider. Ensure to check all of them out along with our room design tool that can help you properly lay out a room with the help of a QuietWarmth technician.